I guess the trail is marked with yellow. I decided not to hike the entire trail and just to check out the waterfall. This trail is 4 miles long. We're here at the Rufus Morgan Trailhead, and we're gonna go check out this waterfall. And we're in Francklin, North Carolina. So the road coming in here was pretty good. There was no ruts, so you could probably get a car down here, and it is a gravel road for about 2 miles. So this trail is marked with blue blazes. Check out my new merch store and you'll get a promo code at 10% off using Melody Hikes. The link is in the description. Spring is coming. Everything's starting to bloom. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Little stream crossing.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
This waterfall was named after Albert Rufus Morgan, who pioneered the Appalachian Trail. The waterfall is so tall that it starts from here and it goes all the way down to the trail that's somewhere down here, right here. Well, I guess this trail is infamous for water crossings. I think the trail goes across over there. Here is yet again another stream crossing. A very small one, but still takes up a lot of the trail here.